Are air fryers safe to use? Let's first understand how they work. Despite their name, they're actually just small-sized convection ovens or OTGs. The small size of the cooking enclosure allows this device to heat air to a very high temperature very quickly and use a fan to circulate it evenly around the food. This lets you crisp and brown foods much faster than a regular oven. And it allows you to fry food with very little oil. And we love crispy textures. Any high temperature cooking method comes with some risks. True of tandoors, ovens, barbecue grills, open flame, deep frying, and a really hot dry pan. As temperatures go above 150 Celsius, the Maillard reaction produces amazing flavors and brown color. On the other hand, some of the byproducts of these reactions, like acrylamide, are not good for you. With food, delicious always comes with a side dish of risk. That said, think big picture. Are you planning to air fry 3 times a day? And will you be frying your food for long enough for it to become slightly charred and really dark brown all of the time? If the answer to these questions is no, an air fryer is absolutely safe to use. You can buy a sports car and you can still drive it under the speed limit most of the time.